tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a callout section to your website. So we're going to go into Edit Site here. We're going to add this callout right on our home page below the slideshow here. So I'll go over to callouts in our page sections. We have a lot of different formats here. Some of them are formatted to work with specific pages, but just like most of our page sections, everything's totally editable. So if we drop this first one on the page here, you can see this is set up to go to the trade or sell page if you click the button, but we could always edit this just like editing text anywhere else. Just highlight or click. We'll just put get easy financing. We'll change this button to apply now. And we'll just link that to the credit app and apply changes. Now we have a nice call to action here to apply for financing. Say we wanted this box to go the full width of the page. We could go into our gear icon, click on the settings here, and we could just do width full page and apply changes. And now you're going to see it goes across the whole page. You can always edit the top padding, bottom padding as well. Let's delete this one and show another example. So if we go back into callouts here, maybe we want to do one of these ones. We have a lot of different styles. Let's see, I'll do this one here and I'll drop it on the page. And all our page sections are going to automatically style to whatever theme and colors your website are. So this one, we could edit the text here. We could edit the button in the middle. So if we were going to leave it view inventory, we want to link that to the inventory page. Apply changes. And then if we save and publish that, now you can see we have this callout. Obviously, we'd want to do something different because we already have that in the slideshow. But if we did click that, it brings us to our inventory page. And we'll just delete that one, maybe show one more. Let's see, we have this one here. This is a search bar. It's going to bring you to the vehicle finder form. Everything here, same as the others, totally editable. So you can click here, edit the icon, edit the text, and you can change the button. And that's it for this one. Callouts are a good way to add a quick call to action on your page. Don't forget to save and publish when you're done.